all, welcome to another Master Academy, our daily current affairs, including and GK. Our first question and our main important current affairs. Aman Sneerawat wins bronze in 57 kg wrestling at Paris 2024. At the Paris of 2024 Olympic Games, Aman Sneerawat of India made his mark by winning a bronze medal in the men's 57 kg wrestling category, adding a proud moment to India's Olympic wrestling history. His performance was remarkable, showcasing his skill and determination throughout the competition. In the bronze medal match, Sneerawat defeated Kairos Janian Tokras with an impressive score of 13-5, reaffirming his reputation as rising star in the sports. Next up, current affair. Union Cabinet approves rupees 24,657 crores railway projects for connectivity. On August 9, 2024, the Union Cabinet in India approved 8 new rail projects with a total investment of 24,657 crore. This project aimed to improve connectivity, make travel more efficient, and to be environmental friendly by reducing logistic costs. Next main important current affairs. Africa faces urgent mpox outbreaking WHO holds emergency meeting. Africa is facing a serious outbreaking of mpox and the World Health Organization has held an urgent meeting to decide if the situation should be declared a public health emergency of international concern. Currently, 18 African countries, including Burundi, Kenya, Rwanda, and Uganda, which previously made no cases, are reported confirmed cases of mpox. Next topic, Banking Laws Amendment Bill 2024. Let us see what is meant by amendment of Bill 2024. Minister of State of Finance Pankaj Chaudhary introduced the Banking Laws Amendment Bill 2024 in the Lok Sabha. The purpose of this bill is to give customers more options and to improve the way banks are governed. Chhattisgarh established third largest tiger reserve amid decline. Chhattisgarh had recently approved the creation of Guru Ghashis Thomar Pingala tiger reserves to address a sharp decline in the Speed tiger population. The new reserve combines an existing national park and a wildlife sanctuary to improve conservation efforts despite some legal and environmental challenges. Next topic. Cabinet approves Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban 2.0. On August 9, 2024, the Union Cabinet approved a new version of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban Nothing But PMAU program. This program is designed to help 1 crore to 10 million urban poor and middle class families find housing. Next question. Next topic. India names third underwater structure in Indian Ocean. Three underwater geographical features in the Indian Ocean have been officially named following proposals from India. These are the Ashoka Siomon Chandraput Ridge and Kalaputra Ridge, recently recognized by the International Hydrographic Organization and UNESCO's Intergovernmental Oceanographic Commission. Next topic. US to release $3.5 billion military aid to Israel. The US state government announced the release of $3.5 billion in military assistance to Israel after Congress approved the funds amidst rising tensions due to the ongoing conflicts in Gaza. The money is a part of large $14 billion supplement. Next topic. Vignesh Phogat disqualified over waiting issue before match. Vinesh Phogat was disqualified because she was a bit over the weight limit for her gold medal match. Although she gained weight the day before, she was found to be a few grams over the age on the competition day. The situation shows the ongoing issue in sports like wrestling like managing weight. Next topic. India plans LLP Act challenges to boost domestic edit frames. India's government is considering changes to the Limited Liability Partnership Act and related rules to strengthen domestic accounting trends. The goal is to make it easier to these firms to merge and grow larger potential, creating big domestic edit. Next topic. Indian Post Act 1998. The Indian Post Office Act of 1898 was thrown out on June 18th, when the Post Office Act was signed into law. This major change to the law is meant to bring India's postal service up to date and fit the country's current social and security situation. It goes beyond just delivering mail and including several services that help citizens. Next topic. Role of artificial intelligence in education. When ChatGPT was launched in November 2022, it sparked a lot of discussions in field of education. Many people were worried about the impact it would have on the honesty and originality of student work. Teachers found it challenges to tell the difference between work written by students and content generated by artificial intelligence. The last topic in our current affairs. NSERT proposed 10 bagless days for school students 6 to 8. To reduce academic pressure on students in classes of 6 to 8, the National Council of Education Research and Training (NSERC) has approved 10 bagless days. These days are meant to encourage hand-on learning and vocational experience. Thank you.